Here we go, operator.
Okay. What are we doing?
Breaking bed. Sounds like breaking bad.
Yeah, bad victim.
I don't want to hurt butterflies.
The back. Okay. Oh.
Sounds bad. I think I'm gonna take it out and break it outside. Or I'm gonna do it that way.
God, or the. They're gonna break it like that. Yeah.
Sounds really bad.
The bed is never gonna be used ever again.
Nope.
Wait, I'm gonna use it. Okay. How can I use it?
Put it in different place.
Stop.
Pretending dead. I know that it's alive, but you're pretending dead. See? Yeah. Well, I hope it's pretending. Yeah, you see?
Pretending.
Yeah, it's pretending.
Okay.
Do you want to use this bed?
Yeah, but don't break it.
Well, you want to use this bed. So we're going to throw your bed away and keep this one instead. Well, too late.
Wow. What did you get now?
What is there in the corner? I think there's a mouse lift over there.
No.
No, are you sure? I have to sort it out. I have to.
Get my leg.
Okay, here we go.
So.
Hold on. Found some black tea. Can be useful.
Tea.
That's my washing machine.
Oh, that's
What is this one doing here? There's a film for ice cream. Hold on, are they still in there? Okay. Oh, one more.
one more.
Again, sorry. Do you know what butterflies eat? I'm not gonna touch that one. What's happened to this one? Making some weird noise. Iron. Hold on. Look what mouse did. That's the mouse job. They eat them. Think I found something interesting.
What?
I think it's a photo album. Mana Diadukas, 1901, 1978.
Oh, ooh, a picture. Nope. Recognize anybody?
Me neither. What is that? LG manual. This one looks scary.
Scary. Show me that.
Army, army, army.
There was the Cold War, World War II, World War I, Korean War maybe.
Vilnius, 1986. Vilnius.
Okay.
What is it? Like a diploma. Hard. Books, books, books.
More books.
More books. Oh, there's the leaves inside. Look.
Wait. I don't remember. When I...
There's a lot of books about religion. Like this one here. This one here. Yeah, there's the Baltic Sea here. So everything where it's colored is Russia. So there is Russia, Russia, Russia. Here's Turkey. This is Serbia.
It might be Austria.
Bulgaria. Romania. Okay. Let's put it somewhere. Holster. My favorite. Hat, gloves. Cheers out. Oh. Let's go. You know what, Amelia? I'll park you up there. Hold on.
I'm gonna follow.
Just follow and film.
Follow.
You need to say, sir, yes, sir.
The seat's out.
So there is more space in the boot. Do you want to drive?
No.
You sure?
Sure.
You can. Yes, you can. Doesn't matter.
No.
Well, you can drive here. Come on.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Yeah. Come on. I'm serious.
Okay.
You can, yeah. Take a seat. Right, do you know what to do?
No.
Turn the first gear. You know how to do it, don't you? Do you know how to do it first?
No.
Yes, you do. Yep, that's the first. Don't do anything over there. I'll sort it out. Now drive. Turn straight up. Now turn that way. Turn it. Turn. More. Let's go. Straight up. There you go. Like this. Here we go. You're driving. Try to stay on the road. Turn a little bit there. A bit more. You're driving. Straight up. Stop. Now we need to reverse. Just keep it straight. All you need to do is just keep it straight. How do you like it?
I don't know. Get out.
You were scared? You were scared to drive?
No.
No? Okay, here we go. Film it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to load the boot with the chairs and everything, what is here. If you can hold the doors as well.
I am playing things you don't
Yeah.
breaking.
I do love breaking stuff.
At least-
Here is Samsung Apple.
Is it gonna be heavy? Okay.
Turn on first gear. Okay. So turn it that way. Over there. Yeah, straight up a little bit. Yeah, straight. Now we need to turn.
You like reversing?
I don't mind. That's it. We're here. No, don't worry about it. Gonna keep it safe.
One last chair.
One last chair.
Right?
We can go again, get some more stuff. You wanna drive?
Yeah.
You like driving?
But
Let's go.
obviously not on my own.
Well, you never tried.
I'm never gonna drive on my own
Why?
because I won't reach them.
Oh, you won't reach the pedals. Okay, first gear.
Wait, is that the third one?
No, that's the first. Straight up. Go. Well done. It's not a car, it's a tractor.
Wait.
Okay, I'll see you there. Open up.
Oh. That's
Right, so what do you think what to do with this one now?
yeah.
Okay, give it to me.
This is a video end.
Yeah, because microphone battery is getting empty, so
Bye.
I had some help. There's a wardrobe there. Everything what was inside those two rooms, so over here. Sure you can hear birds. Let's go.
Yay.
Turning.
We have an empty room.
Empty room.
So we will go completely. Last time we found a bowl. Up. And it's empty room. Alright, take that. Forever.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Where are you gonna put it?
Inside.
Yeah.
Yep.
From the UK.
Yeah. From RM Curtis.
Is this the last bit you're gonna chop?
Whoopsie. Don't tell anyone.
Not even the fun.
No one. That's our secret.
That it broke.
Shh. Nothing happened.
Okay. Here.
No, I'm gonna make it ready for tomorrow.
Oh.
Just gonna put it over there. Make it ready for tomorrow. There's an echo in this room.
Yeah. Let's watch.
Don't go to the water. Don't touch any sockets. Don't touch any wires.